Good morning. Getting an early start. Just left camp. Sun is coming up. It's gonna be a beautiful day. See you down the trail. I hope you have a good day too. What a great morning. It's probably been 30 minutes and I've already seen 10 NOBOs. They're anxious to get to town. I just can't get over the beauty that's here around Tinkner Knob and Granite Chief. Woo, this is beautiful. I love the wild lilies. More gorgeous views. I love the green mountain views. The weather has changed. I'm leaving the sunshine, headed towards this thunderstorm. Anyways, I have about 4 miles and then I'm gonna set up camp. Down lower. Others are hiking the other direction and they're going up high. So I'm thankful to be going down. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll get rained on. All right, it has started to rain. Check out my views. I'm going 3/10 of a mile farther and setting up my tent. There is a stream and at least 2 campsites there.